Chainsaw Man Chapter 184 Release Date. According to Shueisha's official manga reader website, the next Chainsaw Man chapter releases on Tuesday, November 19th, at 11 p.m. Pacific Time, PT. Chainsaw Man Chapter 184 Launch Date Time Zone. Tuesday, November 19/time. JST. 11 p.m. GMT +8. 10 p.m. Eastern Time, 9 a.m. Central Time, 8 a.m. Greenwich Mean Time, Western European Time. 2 p.m. Central European Time, 5 p.m. IST, Indian Standard Time. 7:30 p.m. Where to read the Chainsaw Man manga. Chainsaw Man is available on the official Viz Media website, which offers all released chapters under a monthly $2 subscription. The first 3 chapters and chapters 181 to 183 are available for free accounts. It's also available on Manga Plus, Shueisha's globally available manga reader.